Welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. So today I'm going to make banana chips, green banana chips. Yeah, I've taken green bananas. Today I'm going to make chips out of this. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. First I will peel this and then cut it thin, and then after that I will show you the next step what I will do. So come on, let us start. I will peel the bananas and put it in the water here. This way I will put the bananas in the water. I have peeled all the bananas. Now I will slice them. I put the bananas in the water because it will not turn black. Now I'll slice the bananas. Thin, I will slice it. Not very thick. Thin. I will fry the chips in mustard oil. I will let the oil turn hot nicely and then I will fry the banana. Like this slices, I have cut up the bananas. Now the oil also is turned hot. The flame is kept low. Now I'll fry the bananas. Now I will take the bananas out, the chips out. This, it will turn cold, then it will turn crispy. You can see the chips all fried up. Nice and crispy, see? Nice and crispy. See? Now I will put some chili powder. Sprinkle some chili powder. I have taken jaljeera. I will sprinkle this also. You can hear the noise. It's turned very crispy and nice to eat. Thank you for watching my video.